Hold on, Bubbles. He wants my apple juice. Okay, hold on. Let me push the straw. Calm down. I dropped it on my tennis. Calm down. You'll get some right now. Here, come here. You're getting it everywhere. You want more? You're drinking all my orange juice or apple juice, so it's not like I want it now. You done? You're done? No. Come on. Alright, you're making a mess. No more.